All right, y'all. So in this video, I want to go over the importance of lying down and sitting up the right way, especially if you are a newly postpartum mom. You have diastasis recti, you have back pain, hip pain, pelvic pain, any type of pain really. You want to be mindful of how you lie down and get up out of the bed. So I know moms who are nursing or moms who have newborns and young babies, or you have to pop up out of the bed, you have the screaming baby that startles you in the middle of the night and you just pop right up, right? And so I'm going to show you how just popping right up can cause stress to your lower back, also to your abdominals, and if you have diastasis recti, which is separated abdominals, how you can place stress on the spine. So what I see a lot of moms doing is just sitting straight up like this, all right? This here, your pelvis is locked down to the bed and all that stress and pull is coming in through your back. So if you have back pain, this is a common mistake that I see moms make, women make, men make even. It's just sitting straight up in the bed and then just swinging your legs over and going on about your day. Same thing with nursing baby, you know, things like that. Say that they're co-sleeping right beside you, things like that, where you twist and come over like this. Again, a lot of stress through your abdominals, and that reaching over to, if you have diastasis recti, can cause coning. And again, if you have back pain, it's causing a tort to your back. All right, so very simple fix to this, but a lot of people don't think about it, so I just wanted to show you, all right? So instead of sitting straight up, you just want to turn to your side, and we call this the log roll, okay? Put your hands here, and then sit straight up. No torque, no strain, and just feels so much better. Now, why is that important? We sit up and lay down quite often. It's an everyday thing that you don't think anything about, but it does make a difference in your pain. It does make a difference in your healing and your rehab and things like that. So that's this little simple fixes like that is what compound and add up so that you experience less pain, less stress to your abdominals, and you just feel so much better. So again, if you want to lie down, you got to be here with your legs up and here. If you want, it feels better to put a pillow under your knees when you're lying at night. That may feel a little better to your back. And then when you're ready to sit up, just here, these pillows, roll up and sit up. So let me know if you were the sit up person that just sat up. You didn't think too much about it, but you did feel that pelvic pain, you did feel that pain. And if you tried a different way and it made you feel better.